Looking for a prepaid option for your kids' online classes, or perhaps a backup internet for your work from home setup? PLDT Home is one option and has a number of selections to choose from. Hey, what's up guys, Josh here, Tech, and in this video, we're going to show you which version of the PLDT Home Wi-Fi to buy in order to maximize its use in your home. The next time you check them out in any store in the malls, look for the one that states Evoluzn FX-ID5. It's one of many variants of home Wi-Fi devices that come with a PLDT Home Prepaid. If you're still unsure, it looks a little something like this. Or make sure to ask the sales rep when you get one. So we've tried several other home Cat 6 Wi-Fi modems, and we found the one from Evoluzn to have the most features and the fastest speeds. Here's why. The FX-ID5 is one of the newest of the lineup of PLDT's Wi-Fi prepaid modems, so it's readily available in stores. The modem supports 2G, 3G, and 4G signals, so wherever you bring the router, you'll be sure to connect to PLDT's network. The FX-ID5 has quite a number of ports, 4 to be exact. And if that's not enough, the fourth port is also a WAN port, which means you can use it as a broadband router if you ever have a fiber connection. That means you can configure the Evoluzn FX-ID5 as a dual WAN failover system by connecting it both to your existing broadband at home, and it will automatically switch to 4G whenever your wired line is down or disconnected. Now that's pretty convenient, huh? Over the course of about a month, we've also tried the Evoluzn FX-ID5 on several locations within Metro Manila and took quite a number of random speed tests. On average, we got about 15.1 Mbps for download and 8.3 Mbps for upload speeds. That's not bad at all. Likewise, latency or ping times were great and reached 20 milliseconds on average. The home Wi-Fi modem is already pre-configured right out of the box, but you still need it to be updated and managed through a browser-based admin tool. This is important so you can change the default settings of the modem, change the Wi-Fi name, password, and admin access for security purposes. For topping up, there are several options to get, such as the FamLoad promos. You can check out the PLDT Home Wi-Fi in retail stores in the malls, and make sure you get the Evoluzn model, which sells for 1,995 pesos. If you really want one, well, we're also giving away our review unit so you can use it for your work or your kids' online schooling. To join, just share this video on your Facebook wall and tell us why you want this PLDT Home Wi-Fi Prepaid from Evoluzn. Leave a comment below with the link to your entry, and we'll then pick one random entry to win the modem. Anyways, that's it for now guys, but what do you guys think about PLDT's Evoluzn? Don't forget to leave a comment down below, and again, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon, and be sure to visit ukitech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Josh, stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next video.